Hi friends, in this session I would like to explain about receive notification. For that I am creating a process definition. Right click, go to add resources, go to process and select the process definition. Okay, I am naming this process definition as receive notification. Click on apply, open this process. Okay, we use receive notification for inter-process communication. Okay, so what is inter-process communication? Inter-process communication is communication between two processes or two engines, or it can be of multiple engines. Minimum is 2. So why two processes has to be communicated? For example, there are two processes A and B. If A wants data from B or B wants data from A, they both have to be communicated. So both have to exchange some data that we call shared data. So they are going to exchange some shared data. We can define the shared data with using notify configuration. So how to use notify configuration? So how to use notify configuration and how we are defining the schema in notify configuration, that I have already explained in a different session. Please go through that for notify configuration. So here I will explain how to use this receive notification. Okay, I am taking right click, go to general activities, select receive notification. So now the start button is disappeared and we got receive notification. So it is a starter process. So starter process creates a job when it receives an event. So here the event is notification. So if any process executes the notify, then this receive notification will create a job. Okay, connect using transition. So observe the configuration panel. It has 4 tabs: configuration, miscellaneous, output and error output. In the configuration there are 2 important fields: shared configuration and key. Okay, if the process want to exchange the data, then we have to define the schema in notify configuration. Otherwise we can. So observe this notify configuration. If they both want to exchange the data, then here we have to define the schema. Otherwise we can delete it. So here I have already defined the notify configuration with the employee information. So open this. So browse the notify configuration. Okay, click on apply. So here another important field is key. Okay, here we use this key value for communication and it create a relation between the receive notification and notify activity. So it's create a relation between the sender and receiver. For example, there are 5 receivers waiting for a single notify activity, and if there is a single sender, if the sender wants to send a notify request to a particular receiver, then we have to identify the receiver with a particular key value, so that we can define the key at here. So it creates a relation between the receiver and sender. So let's execute this. Go to notify and check the key I have already defined. Now I am deleting this key. Click on apply. Now test that notify and receive notification. Okay, now the receive notification is in running state, but it will create a job when it will receive a notification. So here this notify will notify this receive notification. So create a job for notify. Okay, the job is created for notify, and so here observe the receive notification. It is received the notification from notify activity, and it is received this employee data. Okay, now let's try with this key value. So for that I am creating one more receive notification. Okay, copy and paste here. So now this is notification employee A and this is for employee B. Click on apply. Okay, go to notify. Here specify the key value A. So here we are going to send a notification for receiver which is waiting for employee A. Go to A and specify the key value. Go to B and specify the key value B. Click on apply. Now execute. Okay, now A and B waiting for a notification. Okay, but here we have already specified the key value A. So let's create a job for notify. So observe, this A got this notification. Okay, now we may have the doubt, that is, so what happens if both receive notification and wait is waiting for a same notify request? That means receive notification and this wait activity is waiting for a same notification. So which one will execute first? Let's check it. Okay, now execute wait A and receive notification A. Now I'm creating a job for A. Okay, it is in running state and it is waiting for notification. Now the notify is going to notify. Okay, let's observe. Okay, but here receive notification is a starter process, so it is received the request. So if you notify it again, then this wait will receive the request. So again this receive notification has received that request. So the priority is given to the starter process. Okay, that is the relation between the receive notification and wait and notify. That's all we can do with receive notification. Okay, go to miscellaneous tab. So here we have two important fields, sequencing key and custom ID. How to use the sequencing key and all I have already explained in a different session. We use the sequencing key for ordering of a incoming jobs. Okay, here see the output. The output will be the schema which we are mapped in notify configuration. See the error output, it is expecting, it is giving no error. Okay, that's all we can do with receive notification. Thank you for watching. Please visit mytibco.com for more important videos and interview questions. Thank you.